The first term, heating. From this heating, I am taking heat. What do you mean by heat? Simply we can say heat is a form of energy. A form of energy. And it is formed due to the vibration or collision of atoms and molecules. Formed due to the vibration or collision of atoms and molecules. And this heat can be measured in British thermal unit or calorie. See, we have several unit system like MKS system, CGS system, HVAC system and SI system, metric system. In HVAC system designing, people are commonly following FPS system or SI system. This FPS system have another name, imperial units, imperial system. And metric system also known as SI units or SI system. If you are considering or if you are taking the measurement of heat in FPS system, then the unit will be in British thermal unit or BTU. You can represent British thermal unit as BTU. If you are measuring in SI system or metric system, then the unit will be in calories. The unit of heat in FPS system BTU and in metric system calorie. And the conversion from calorie to BTU, from metric system to FPS system, 1 kilocalorie means 1 kcal is equal to 3.97 BTU. 1 kcal is equivalent to 3.97 BTU. Okay. Then I have another question. Then what do you mean by temperature? Temperature is the degree of intensity of hotness or coldness. It is the degree of intensity of hotness or coldness. And the temperature also we can measure in FPS system and as well as in metric system also. Degree Fahrenheit is FPS unit and degree Celsius is in metric unit. And the conversion of this temperature from degree centigrade to degree Fahrenheit is given here, 1.8 into degree centigrade value plus 32 equal to degree Fahrenheit value. 5/9 into degree Fahrenheit value minus 32 is degree Celsius value. From this, heat is a form of energy and the intensity of that hotness or coldness is temperature. And heat is measured in BTU or calorie and temperature is measured in degree Fahrenheit or degree Celsius by using a thermometer. To measure temperature we are using thermometer. Okay. And heat. There are two types of heat. One is sensible heat and another one is latent heat.